Welcome! In front of me I have little Tikes Tobi smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the name of this device. First we need to press the home button to wake up the screen on our watch. Now we need to open the menu. To do it you need to press the home button a couple of times until you find the menu. So let's press the home button a couple of times, and here we have the menu mode. Once you enter this mode, swipe left on the screen to go to the next page and tap on the settings icon. In settings, tap on this icon in the right top corner, and here we can change the name of our device. To do it, for example, I want to remove the name, so I'm gonna tap on the X button right here to remove the letters, like that. And now I can find the letter I want to enter, for example K. I'm gonna tap on it to enter it, and now let's find another letter, for example E, again K, like that, and last one. For example W. And once you're done setting up the name of your device, tap the check mark to confirm right here. And as you can see, the name of our watch changed. And that's how you change the name of this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.